toonietoonie! Hey kids! Let's learn Spanish with toonietoonie! And today, animals! Dog, perro, horse, caballo, cow, vaca, elephant, elefante, giraffe, jirafa, lion, león, rabbit, conejo, cat, gato, frog, rana, bird, pájaro, monkey, mono, chicken, pollo. Great job, kids! Now let's say them together. Starting with English. Dog, horse, cow, elephant, giraffe, lion, rabbit, cat, frog, bird, monkey, chicken. Amazing! And now in Spanish. Are you ready? Let's go! Perro, caballo, vaca, elefante, jirafa, león, conejo, gato, rana, pájaro, mono, pollo. Muy bien. Great job.